In today's video, I'm going to teach you Temu Refund process updated, step by step. If you need to request a refund on Temu, this process is fairly simple once you know where to go and what information to prepare. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can submit your request correctly and avoid unnecessary delays. First, open the Temu app or go to the Temu website, then sign in using the same account you used when placing the order. This is important because your order history and refund options are tied to that specific account. Once you're signed in, go to your orders and find the order that contains the item you want to return or get refunded for. Open that order so you can view the full details. From there, look for the return or refund option or a similar button shown for that purchase. Select it, then choose the specific item or items you want to include in your request. Next, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the return or refund. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Common reasons include an item arriving damaged, receiving the wrong item, missing items, the product not matching the description, poor quality, or in some cases simply no longer needing the item if that option is available. Try to be as accurate as possible here because clear information can help Temu process your request faster. In some situations, especially if the item is damaged, defective, or incorrect, Temu may ask you to upload photos. If that happens, provide clear images of the item itself, the packaging if it helps explain the issue, and any visible damage or defects. Good photos can make a big difference, so make sure they're easy to see and not blurry. After you submit the request, Temu will show you what happens next. In some cases, you may be told that the item needs to be returned. In other situations, a refund may be issued without requiring a return. If a return is needed, follow the instructions provided. You may also receive a prepaid return label, depending on the order and return type. If you do need to send the item back, pack it securely, attach the shipping label if one is provided, and drop it off at the correct shipping carrier or return location. It's a good idea to keep your tracking information until everything is fully completed. After that, wait for Temu to receive and inspect the returned item if required. Refund processing times can vary depending on shipping, inspection, and your payment method. Once approved, the refund is usually sent to your original payment method or another eligible refund option. Finally, check your bank account, card statement, digital wallet, or Temu account to confirm the refund has arrived. If it doesn't appear after the expected processing time, contact Temu customer support and have your order number ready.